panels on. We're finally gonna get rid of those ambers. They make the car look a little, not disgusting, but it doesn't look right. So we got the Aero spec lights. We're gonna put those on now. I'm gonna give her a quick wash, get all the dust off her, and slap those things on and see what it looks like. Woo! I'm excited. Let's open this guy up, right? Shall we? There's a little tag somewhere. All right. We got the pull here tab, so we'll pull this right here. Kind of excited to see what goes on here. All right, so we got our package. We got our first mods for the 911 GTS, the 2024. Oh, let's see what we got. The box looks smashed, to be honest. A little accordion style, you know what I mean? It's that UPS, man. That UPS. You know what ain't delivered with love if it isn't smashed up against things. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Oh! Look at this! Oh, those side markers. I gotta look, man, baby. Those Euro specs. And slide these things right on. I'm salivating like it's food. This is how amped up I am. I'm a fat guy. I just secrete fluids. You know, I'm just salivating. I can't wait to get this thing on.
You're already buying parts?
They're not broken, but you know they'll go back on eventually. Listen, don't listen to the people in the background. You know what I mean? More parts to come. Sorry. You know what? You know a lot of boxes show up at the house from Amazon. I don't ask questions. You know what I mean? So many lotions and hair products. Whatever you want. You know, bills are paid. Things are good. These bills aren't paid yet, but they get paid. Please like and subscribe. I'm so amped. These Euro lights, these front side markers is gonna chef's kiss on this car, especially with the agate gray. It's gonna be perfect. Get rid of those ambers. Anybody you know, amber in your life, get rid of them. You know, I've never met a good amber, especially on a car. You know what I mean? Those amber lights are horrible. I'm amped. Let's get to it. All right, let's get her cleaned up. Don't hate me too, because I don't have a garage at the house, so I can't hand wash. Just a little light spray, just to knock the dirt off. We'll start with a little rinse. That'll be all right. Now look how janky some 2x4s. You know, some 2x4s are whole problem. Let it rain, baby, let it rain. The soap is like milk, it doesn't even fix in a powder. Put all that soap on there. I want you to breathe right off. Dude, that's crazy. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give I'm gonna use gloves for this. Only because it's easy to grip, and then I won't scratch anything. So now all we have to do is push back and then pull out. You can see where the spring opens up. You see it? Mm-hmm. So then you pull back and you push in. It takes a little bit of force. There we go.
What?
That's it. Yeah, you just take this and you pull this clip back. This clip here. You push that down and you slide back. That's it. So one going. You slap in this one. And you push in all the way. And then you want to reverse what you did. You're done. That's clean. So now we got that here. Right? And then compared to the ambers on this side, I think it's a much better look now. Yeah, he's got to go.
Oh, you did this one fast. We'll just use this side since you didn't struggle that much.
I know, yeah. For sure. Well, now that I know. That's it.
Quick and easy.
Don't be stealing nobody's side markers out on the streets there now. It could be a side hustle a little bit. And then this little latch here, you just push that down so it unclips. Right? You see the little lift? And then, yeah, I hacked up my finger on that other one. But you just slip that in, a little click, Oh, look at that little rock. Where's that from, huh? It must be German. Maybe it's a German rock. And then this little clip here is what it clips onto. You see right there? Just clips onto that right there. And you're good. So you're gonna go reverse. You're gonna go back in. You're gonna flip it how you did it. So you're like that, and then push back, and it should just click in. That's it. Good as new.
It's so easy.
And now let's turn it on and see what it looks like. So now it's daylight. You can barely see it, but it's clean, man. That's better than that giant amber ones. Very good. Clean, right? Everything's good. Everything now looks uniform. Slits all over. Slits all over. Beautiful foggy California coast, baby. Look at that fog.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry.
That's one done. PPF done. Lights are done. The next, I'm gonna do a sponsored video. My first one with a guy that sent me over some protective film for the interface, so all this will be covered, including that piano black, which is a pain in the butt to keep clean, so I'm excited for that.